Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So pretty much a capitulation bottom with Bitcoin today. You will want to keep an eye out for this kind of pattern. So coming down, pausing, we had the 66.18 level, pausing there, enabling you to actually update your levels lower, which gave you a cluster area down around the 64.24 to 64.50. And then strong rally. When you see something like this, so you divergence pattern. So you see much lower low, higher low in the RSI, and then you see this strong rally with really good volume. And then it breaks out the high. Now, if you're going to be patient, you then wait for it to get back above the rotation zone. So this bar closed right at the rotation zone, and this is something and you want to test this out for yourself. But when you see this high broken out, that's a really good, strong entry pattern. Coming back, we updated to this retracement level. So the 25% retracement level from the very big stuff. So that's back from this high around October 25th. Coming back and hitting that 25% retracement level and right near the declining 200 simple moving average. Now remember, we do use a simple moving average. At this point, I'm going to update that to the downside. So what are we watching for now? Now, swiftly in the overbought condition, would not be surprised to see a little pullback. First level of support coming in about 7,300. Then we'd be watching about 69.50 area if that did not hold. Upside of getting above the 200, which is coming in about 7,500. Then we'll be watching, you see all this shelf right here, where there's major resistance, about 7,580 to 7,600 is the next key level based off the 4-hour. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, look at this. So you see right to the other end, spiking through the rotation zone, but then closing dead on the rotation zone. Remember, we always watch. The most important thing to us is where a bar closes, especially on the longer term charts. So this key resistance for tomorrow is about the 7,300 area. If we get above that, watch for that 7,450, and then above that, besides those levels I listed on the 4-hour, the next major daily level is 77.60 area. These candle bodies lining up with the 50-day exponential moving average. You can see the downside should this rotate back down, but this does look like it might have put in at least a temporary bottom. You see also, if you come back here, so lower low in price action. So between the low on November 25th and the low on December 18th, and higher low so far on the RSI. So we have a bigger picture divergence there also with a very strong bar signifying a low. It does not mean it has to rally. It can also mean it moves sideways back in this horizontal channel. We're going to have to wait to see how it reacts again to this about 74.50 level, and then if it can rally back to the 77.60 areas, 7,800. What we'd like to, if you're a bullish case, you actually like to see it move up, get the cross of the rotation zone, then retest that for support, and then rally higher. But we'll have to watch to see if that unfolds. Ethereum, also capitulation bottom right here, with this cluster area about 117 to 116.34. Coming down again, lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. Strong rally coming back up above the rotation zone on the 4-hour now. Going to be some possible minor resistance, 137.37. Major area we'll be watching. You see this little support shelf. So support becomes resistance right around 141. Let's switch over to the daily chart for Ethereum. So here's our daily chart. You can see here with that nice strong rally, not as much volume as Bitcoin, not even getting it back in the rotation zone, but right around that 141, that's where you also have this little support area, prior support, prior support, prior support. So that is very key resistance. If we got through there, I'd start watching about 145. That's your next major area of resistance, still in major oversold condition. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.